Okay, so for part B, it says show that the magnitude of the velocity of the ice skater time t is given by this. So this is my velocity vector. To get the magnitude of the velocity, I just need to get the magnitude of this vector. So the magnitude, we know, magnitude of the velocity, let's say, is equal to the square root of this squared plus this squared. That's just my normal magnitude of a vector formula. And I can simplify this, well, kind of simplify it, or square both sides. So it's this squared plus this squared. I'll get the square root at the end again, obviously, but just so I don't have to always write out this at the square root sign. Okay, now this is obviously going to be a big, long, ugly, annoying expression that I need to simplify, but let's do it. So it's this squared a e to the bt. I'll just square, what I'll do is I'll square this and square this. I can do that. Cos t minus sine t. That's allowed. Plus, same thing, this squared a e to the bt. A e to the bt squared plus this squared. Cos t plus b sine t squared. Sorry, not plus. What am I doing? This should not be plus. This is times. Okay, so that's this squared plus this squared. Fine. I'm going to then take out this. So I'm going to take out a e to the bt squared. Let's take this out. And then so I'm taking it out of this and this. And then here I'm going to have b squared cos squared t, so this squared, minus 2 times this, so 2b cos t sine t, plus sine t squared, or sine squared t. And then here I have to do the same thing, squaring all this. So it's plus cos squared t, plus cos squared t, plus 2 b cos t sine t, plus b squared sine squared t, right? Hopefully, guys, you're okay with that. I've just taken out this from both terms, then I've squared this, and I've squared this. Okay, this equals, let's keep my a e to the bt squared there. I like that because when I square root it, I'm going to get this, which is what I want. So I'm only really worried about this. Now, my minus 2b cos t sine t, this thing here, let's just show you what I'm going to do. This minus this plus this cancels nicely. And now I have, watch this, b squared into cos squared t plus sine squared t. And you know, guys, what's cos squared t plus sine squared t? Well, it's 1. Cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. And then here I have another sine squared t plus cos squared t. Let's write it like this, sine squared t plus cos squared t. That's just this plus this. And this, right, this is 1, so I'm just left with b squared. And this is 1, so I'm just left with b squared plus 1, which is great because that's what I want here. So therefore, v, or the magnitude of v, is equal to the square root of all this, which is just this, because this is magnitude of v squared. So just v is just this, ae to the bt, ae to the bt, times the square root of b squared plus 1, or 1 plus b squared, same thing, but that's what they have here, which is what they wanted. So I'm just going to write q e d shown. Okay, that's part B.